Hello, welcome to the presentation today. We'll be on this presentation for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And the presentation today is about you and your marketing, your website, your business development, kind of in a nutshell. Um, your website may be broken and you don't even know it. Most people don't know it. 90% are broken, and people are unaware. The business owner's unaware. The marketing person's unaware. They just assume that because they have a website that everything's going right on the internet, and that's not true. A website has to be maintained. The main two reasons that they are broken is it wasn't built correctly in the first place with the proper links and the backside of the website, which is the most important, and it's not maintained correctly. It's look at it like a car that you never change the oil in or never take care of it. You have to maintain your website regularly, all the time, in order to stay ahead of the crowd that's on the internet. Otherwise, other people will get your customers. 50% of internet users say they won't recommend a business with poorly designed website. They just losing business. 57% is saying that. And you have to be mobile orientated on your website. Your website has to be as good or better on your mobile device. 85% of the people think the websites, when viewed on a mobile device, should be greater or better. So we're in the mobile age, and it's going to get much, much, much greater in that arena. Mobile devices now cover 2 out of every 3 minutes spent online. So people are shopping on their smartphones. They're doing everything on their smartphones. That's what they're looking at. That's what they're looking at. And they're not going to their desktop or their tablets or the laptop as much because they have their mobile device around on it. So the two main mobile devices, of course, are your tablets and especially your smartphone. Why do 89% of consumers shop with the competition? The reason is they have a bad experience on your website. 88% of online shoppers are less likely to return to your website if it had a bad experience. It had a slow load speed. The content was irrelevant for what they're looking at. They couldn't find it on the internet to begin with. So a lot of things are taken into effect here, folks, as you look at this. An increase in site loading speed just from 8 seconds to 2 seconds can increase your visitors or your potential customer rate to 74%. That's huge. And another way of saying that is if you don't do that, you're going to be losing 74% of your customers. I mean, that's crazy. You're spending money. You might as well spend it the right way and get exactly what you deserve to get, a better website that's bringing customers to you and converting them over to buying from you. As you can see, these statistics from 22, 29%, 23%, 4% say they're hopeless. Marketers do not know what they're doing when it comes to responsive design. And according to Google, over 90% of the pages aren't even getting viewed that are on a website. I couldn't believe this statistic. 90.63% of pages get no organic search traffic from Google. So it comes down to this. How strong is your website? Remember the first two reasons, it may not be performing right. It wasn't built right correctly. A lot of people go to these quick shops and they want to throw up their website, but that doesn't mean anything if it can't be found in the content read in the website. And definitely has to be maintained. In today's world, to stay ahead of the game, ahead of the competition, you have to maintain that website with new content, make sure the links aren't broken, etc., on a regular basis. And how often should you do that? Well, the consensus is at least every week. Once a month at the very latest, but at least every week, and primarily as often as you can. Ideally, every single day. So maintaining that website is absolutely crucial to your business. Your business, our solutions. So I say all that to say this. You need to find out exactly how your website is performing, and you can do that by getting in contact with us today and receive a free audit. Get a free audit. We'll tell you exactly what your website is doing so you can know what you need to do next. and we don't want to take your business unless we can do something for you. So get a hold of us today at endzonesolutions.com. That's end zone, like the football term, endzonesolutions.com. And let us take you to the end zone and help you score more with your customers. You can also call 509-998-8737. That's 509-998-8737, or email Seth at endzonesolutions.com. But do it today. And what you'll do when you get to endzonesolutions.com, you'll scroll to the bottom, put your information in today, and that flags you for a free audit with no obligation. So do it today. Get your free audit. Go to endzonesolutions.com, put in your information, and we'll see you soon. Thank you for your time.